Imagine a monster so powerful that it bends the very fabric of space and time. A creature that lurks silently, unseen, right at the center of our galaxy. 4 million times the mass of our sun, yet hidden behind a cloak of darkness. This monster has a name, Sagittarius A asterisk. And tonight, I will take you into its heart, the very place where science trembles and mystery begins. Every galaxy has a story, and like every story, it has a center, a heart. For the Milky Way, that heart is no gentle star, no shining beacon. It is a void, a black hole. We orbit it unknowingly. Our sun, our earth, every star you've ever seen in the night sky, all of them are dancers in a grand ballet, circling around a darkness we cannot see. Sagittarius A asterisk, the silent conductor of our cosmic symphony. How does a monster like this come into being? Scientists believe Sagittarius A asterisk was born billions of years ago, during the galaxy's infancy. Perhaps it began as a smaller black hole, fed by collapsing stars, growing fatter and hungrier with each passing eon. Or perhaps it is primordial relic from the very birth of the universe, forged in the chaos of the Big Bang itself. What we know is this: it sits in the constellation Sagittarius, 26,000 light-years away. And though it cannot be seen directly, its gravitational influence reveals its presence. Stars whip around it at breakneck speeds, some completing an orbit in just 16 years. To put that in perspective, our sun takes 230 million years to make a single orbit of the galaxy. Yet these stars dance around the black hole as if tethered by an invisible chain. Sagittarius A asterisk is a supermassive black hole over 4 million solar masses compressed into a region smaller than the orbit of Mercury. It has no surface. No light escapes its grasp. Instead, we see its accretion disk, a swirling maelstrom of gas and dust, heated to millions of degrees. Like a predator, it feeds occasionally, tearing apart stars that drift too close, releasing bursts of energy so bright they outshine entire galaxies for a moment. And yet, most of the time, it sleeps, quiet, patient, waiting. Astronomers call it underfed. This hunger is deceptive. The monster at the center of our galaxy is capable of awakening at any time. Sagittarius A asterisk is not just an object. It is a paradox. It is the place where Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics collide. Relativity tells us it is a well in space-time, an unstoppable gravitational abyss. Quantum mechanics whispers that information cannot be destroyed. But when matter falls in, who is right? At Sagittarius A asterisk, these two great pillars of physics clashing, we are left without answers. It is not merely a black hole. It is a question carved into the universe itself. What would it feel like to approach Sagittarius A asterisk? First, you'd see stars distorted, their light bent into strange arcs. The sky would shimmer as if made of glass. As you drew closer, time itself would warp. For you, only minutes might pass, but for the rest of the universe, thousands, even millions of years could unfold. Crossing the event horizon, you would notice nothing. No barrier, no warning. But once inside, there is no turning back. Spaghettification awaits. Your body stretched atom by atom, torn apart by tidal forces. To fall into Sagittarius A asterisk is to fall out of the universe itself. Even after decades of study, Sagittarius A asterisk still hides secrets. Why so quiet? For a monster of its size, it is strangely calm. Other supermassive black holes blaze with jets of energy. Why does ours slumber? Could it be preparing for a violent awakening? Stars near Sagittarius A asterisk likely host planets. Imagine civilizations orbiting those stars, gazing at their black hole neighbor. What happens if their world drifts too close? The shadow image in 2022, astronomers captured the first ever image of Sagittarius A asterisk. It appeared not as a glowing ring, lurid halo of light bent by gravity. But what lies inside remains invisible. The multiverse question: could Sagittarius A asterisk be more than a graveyard? Some theories suggest every black hole could be a Zeta portal, birthing new universes on the other side. If true, Sagittarius A asterisk is not just our galaxy's center, but perhaps the origin of countless others. After 35 years of exploring the cosmos, here is what I've learned. Sagittarius A asterisk is both destroyer and creator. It consumes, yes, it bends, it warps, it erases. But it also holds our galaxy together. Without it, the Milky Way would unravel. Without it, the stars we love, the earth we call home, might not exist at all. It is the paradox of existence itself. Out of darkness, light. Out of death, life. Sagittarius A asterisk is not just the monster at our heart. It is also the silent guardian of our cosmic story. So here's the truth. Sagittarius A asterisk is not simply a monster. It is a mirror. It reflects back our deepest fears of death, of the unknown, but also our greatest hope. That mystery still exists, and that we can still reach for it. It teaches us that the universe is vast, strange, and unfinished. If this journey stirred your curiosity, if you want to keep exploring the secrets of black holes, the galaxies, and the universe beyond, then join me, Subscribe to Black Hole Secrets. Because, together, we'll keep pushing past the horizon into the unknown.